The break even point is when the revenue meets expenses. So I never used to really focus on this until I started actually having a business myself. But, most businesses fail within that first, I think, 2 to 5 years. And it's because they don't even break even. They just lose money forever until they have to quit. So, what this actually looks like from the research I've been doing, I've just been really looking into this and diving into it. Breaking even. So, revenue is the money that you're making in your business. So, say you're selling a product or a service. Now, a product can be like shoes, clothes. It can be a phone cover, phone chargers, headphones, like whatever it is. It's a physical, tangible thing, and that thing has a purpose. And then a service is something that's not really tangible, but it's you or your company doing something for someone. So it's like plumbing is a service, electric, and things like that. Like trash delivery, that's a service. You can be a tailor, all types of things. Now, when I say revenue equals expenses, well, what are the expenses? The expenses are all you could call it liabilities or you could call it bills. So that could be material cost, your labor, employees. It can be a car. It can be a space that you rent. A lot of things. Your revenue is the money you make, and then your expenses is all the money that you pay out in order to keep the business going. So, break even point is when let's say you spend $100 on expenses, and then from that $100 in that same month, the money that you generated in your business was $100. So that's $100 out and $100 in. So simple math tells you the number is zero. That's plus 100 minus 100, zero. Right. So let's say you put $100 out, but then you get a 2x return. So then that's $100 out, but then you get $200 in. Now you're plus 100. So then what do you do with that extra 100? Well, some people might go on a shopping spree. Some people might pocket it, put it in their savings, get a couple more, few coffees through the month. But what if you take that 100 and then next month, instead of $100 in advertising costs, you did $200? So if you're getting 2x back, then that means if you put 2 in, then you'll get 4 out next time. So then you're no longer breaking even. That's when you're able to scale. So knowing your break even point is really, it really matters, because once you know that and you're able to break through and then you stop breaking even and then you start being profitable, that's when you're finally able to scale. So, anyways, I just like coming on here and we're making our way through these definitions. Right now, this is definition number 8, break even, and we have 111 more to go, or actually 188 more to go. And I'm just going to make my way through this. I'm demystifying digital marketing. We're going through the definitions. We're going to build some digital products together, and we're going to figure out how to make some money together. So look, comment down below what else you want to know, what else you want to learn, and I'll see you in the next one.